Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Slam it!
Oh gosh!
You think you're breaking 65? Oh, I got 64.
Thank God, dude!
You've done a lot of cabin work to tell that extra 2 to 3 dB.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake Cavallo. I hope you enjoyed that walk around. We got a Bryan system. This was at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida area. If you enjoyed the video so far, be sure to give it a like and comment what you like about his system. This is an insane bass demo. Over 100,000 watts between his speakers, mid-bass, tweeters, and subwoofers in this vehicle. It's called the Bass Shuttle. If anybody's seen his system video from prior, I think this is the third time I'm posting a demo video of it. That's all of his amplifiers. 8 of these are for his subs and 2 are for his mid-range tweeters, all his high frequencies, and a really powerful lithium bank underneath and on top. He added extra because of all the power and juice he wants out of this. So these amplifiers are ran at over 15 volts, so getting all the power. And there's 2 per sub. This is the specs of the subwoofer: 4,000 watts RMS, 4.5-inch voice coil. And I'm pretty sure these are probably the beefiest DefBonk subs that they make for the 15-inch subwoofer. So pretty crazy X max. It looked like it was over 40 millimeters. He actually turns it up all the way on a frequency tone you'll see during this demo. And of course got some good tap out reactions from somebody else sitting inside, and I got to hear it. And there's an actual extended port. He's kind of done a little bit of fine tuning, you could tell, for a driver port, put all the pressure on the passenger, and he actually puts the window up during this demo. So this is 100,000 plus watts on this bass demo system we're getting to today. Of course, he's not clamping that much. I think he's around 55 to 60,000 watts clamped power in the SPL when he does over a 165 dB. So we're getting to the demo. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for daily videos and enjoy.
All right, I'm ready. Ready? Yeah, man.
Sometimes I get stoned in my backyard, lay off in the tall grass so my views are stars. I think about nothing, get to clear my thoughts from all the thunder and light that's so live in a spot. Sometimes speed limit in my town. You're the smoking on some grown weather.
It's more power than you can. Hey, cats.
Sometimes
That's like, dude, that's like 63s now on music right now. You think you're breaking 65 right here? 64. My God, dude. You've done a lot of cabin work to tell that extra 2 to 3 dB. I appreciate the demo, man. Wow, you got a line that wants to hear it, man. Thank you. Woo! Hey, bro, I'm loving your videos, man. Yes, sir. Thank you. Hey, good luck. It's hard.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.